Well friends, here is the next problem. Before going to the problem, let me see the given direction. The given direction is, in the given equation, find which of the following interchange of signs or numbers would make the equation correct. That means, in the given question, we have to interchange the signs or the numbers according to the given options and check which of the options make the given equation meaningful. Okay. So the given question is 35 is equal to 7 plus 12 divided by 17. Now, first let us consider the given equation, that is 35 is equal to 7 plus 12 divided by 17. Okay. Now, according to the first option, 35 and 12 should be interchanged. That means this 35 should be replaced by 12 and this 12 should be replaced by 35. Okay. Now, this 35 should be replaced by 12 is equal to, as it is, 7 plus. Now, 12 should be replaced by what? Yes, 35 divided by 17. Okay. Now, before solving this, once again you need to remember your BODMAS rule. According to the BODMAS rule, the division comes first. Therefore, 12 is equal to, as it is, 7 plus, as it is, now 35 divided by 17. Now, when you solve this 35 divided by 17, you will get the answer in terms of fraction. Usually, in such kind of problems, the answer will not come in terms of fraction. For that, what I will do, I will omit this option. I will move to the second option. Okay. Now, according to the second option, friends, 17 and 7 should be replaced or interchanged. Now, 35 as it is equal to, now 7 should be replaced by what? 17. Okay, 17 plus 12 as it is. Now, this 17 should be replaced by what? 7. Okay. Once again, what you have to do? You have to use the BODMAS rule. Again here, see, according to the BODMAS rule, the division comes first. Once again, 12 by 7 is what? Again, the answer is coming in terms of fraction. Once again, I will omit this option also. I will move to the third option. Okay. According to the third option, see, you have to interchange the signs now. That means division should be replaced by addition and the addition should be replaced by division. Okay. 35 is equal to, as it is, 7. Now, this addition should be replaced by what? Division. Okay. 12 as it is. Now, this division should be replaced by what? Yes, it is addition, and 17 as it is. Okay. Once again, you have to use what? The BODMAS rule. According to the BODMAS rule, again the division comes first. But look at over here. 7 divided by 12. 7 divided by 12 is again a fraction. Once again, I will omit this option. Okay. What I will do? I will move towards the fourth option. Now, according to the fourth option, see friends, division and is equal to should be interchanged. Okay. For that, 35. Now, this is equal to should be replaced by what? Division. Okay, I'll take that. 7 as it is plus, as it is, 12. This division should be replaced by what? Is equal to 17. Once again, you have to take care of the BODMAS rule. According to the BODMAS rule, the division comes first. Now, look at over here. 35 divided by 7. 35 divided by 7 is what? 35 by 7 is, exactly it is 5. Fine. Plus 12 is equal to 7. Now, friends, look at over here. 5 plus 12 is what? Yes, of course it is 17. That is equal to 17. See, friends. Now, the fourth option makes the given equation meaningful. Therefore, what I will do? I will consider fourth as the right option. Okay. See, friends, while solving such kind of problems, if you get the answers in terms of fraction, please omit that option and move towards the next option. Now, we will see some more number of problems.